I'm holding a live event. What's up? This is Keith Kalfas. Have you ever struggled with marketing your business online and on social media? Have you ever gotten frustrated over this whole search engine optimization local business thing? How do you do that? Have you ever had companies call you and try to sell you and enroll you in multi-hundred or $1,000 a month packages so that they can get you to page one on Google, right? Did you know that you can actually do this stuff all by yourself through learning basic SEO, search engine optimization, and some internet marketing strategies? It's not that hard. In my business over the past 6 years, I've learned and studied and implemented a ton of stuff that's gotten my business the highest rated, ranking, and reviewed landscaping and separately marketed window cleaning business on Google Maps on my whole city, and my phone rings all the time, right? I would love to share this stuff with you at my Marketing ROI live event right here in my office in the conference room in Sterling Heights, Michigan. If you're interested in this and you would like to join this mastermind group for the event, click the link in the description below this video. It's a 4-hour event, it's a deep dive, and you will leave this event fully equipped with the clarity and an actual action plan, a step-by-step action plan that you can implement into your business in about a couple hours a week to eventually get you rated and ranked as the highest ranked business on Google, if you do the stuff right. Now, I can't guarantee you that that's what will happen, but you will leave with a step-by-step action plan. It's a 4-hour live event. It comes with a 1-hour lunch where we will all hang out and mastermind. And anyways, click the link in the description below this video to sign up for my Marketing ROI live event. I can only fit 10 people, preferably 7, but an absolute maximum of 10 people. So click the link in the description below to sign up for my Marketing ROI live event. I'll see you there.